Okay, go.
Go. Hey! Oh my goodness.
So good morning to all of you. Hope everyone's feeling great because I'm feeling awful. Last night was a bit heavy. Here's a flashback. To you, happy birthday, Chandra. Happy birthday to you. So this morning we woke up. I actually did like a 6k run this morning. I don't know how or why, but I thought it might have made me feel better. And we're getting bikes to go and explore the island. This is a different ride to the other one you've seen. And yeah, so it's pretty cheap for a bike. It's cost us 30 ringgit a day, which is a nice little price. And unlike Thailand, you don't have to leave your passport here. All you need to do is leave a little deposit. So we're off. First stop, good old 7-Eleven for the ATM, get a bit of cash out, and I believe we're going to a place to get fish and chips today. That's what everyone's told us. It's about a 30-minute drive away. So we're going to head over there. Apparently it's got a nice beach to go swimming as well. Got my mask for some snorkeling. And so far, Langkawi, recovery, MCO, recovery mode from the coronavirus. Seems everything's pretty open, it's pretty busy. And it seems kind of normal here, which is great. So I didn't really get much of a chance to talk about the food, but if you come to Langkawi, I would highly recommend the Scarborough fish and chips, just here. Drive along, get a bike. There's obviously the nice little beach here that you've seen already. I would highly recommend it. The food is insane. Now what we're doing, we're packing up our stuff, getting back on the bikes, and we're going on a sunset cruise. The finish is around about 8 o'clock. So it's really cheap. They've got a discount on at the moment, and I believe it's only 5 ringgit for any drink, like 5 ringgit for per drink. So we're looking forward to that. Oh, crab! A little baby crab. Tried to get the crab for you, but couldn't get it in. It was too small. So yeah, so we're heading back now. Get changed, get into the new swim stuff, and head out for some drinks. So we didn't put into consideration how much time we would need to get ready and to charge everything. Obviously we left fish and chip place a little bit later than we should have because we've got to be on the boat in 25 minutes and we've not even left yet. We'll find there because it's only like 5 minutes away on the bike. But yeah, so we're off on a sunset cruise now. I've not charged any of my drone batteries or anything, so I'm hoping they're gonna last. Take the charger with me. Yeah, so we're off on a sunset cruise. So we're now going down to get onto the Catamaran ferry sunset cruise thing. The rest of the cruise here. Exciting! Here's Hannah. she's been desperate to get in the videos. Here's our boat right here, this guy, this one right here. It's like way smaller than I thought, but it looks awesome. The most important thing is there's a bar right in the middle of it. Yeah.
Mr. Australia? Yeah. I now pronounce you
Booze cruising.
Ole.
That thing that we can swim in. Jacuzzi. Ryan. So, let's I'm gonna leave it there and just show you the boat.
Stand by me, stand by me. In the sky, there is a dawn. She tumble and fall on a mountain. She crumble to the sea. I won't cry, I won't cry, no, I won't shed a tear. Just as long as you stand by me. So darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand now. Stand by me. Stand by me. So darling, darling, stand by me. Oh, stand by me. Oh, stand now. Stand by me. Stand by me. In the sky, down in the ball, she tumble and fall out of the mountain. She crumble